Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will study English for class 7. Open your books at page 70. Exercise. Question number 1. Look up the meaning of the following words in dictionary and use them in sentences. Now, the words are outcomes, environment, constituents, sources and pollution. Outcomes meaning nataij. Sentence: pollution is an outcome of human and industrial waste. Environment, mahol. Keep your environment clean. Constituents, ajza, anasir. Please let me know the constituents of your plan. Sources, zarai. Smoke and dust are the sources of air pollution. Pollution mean aludgi. Pollution is a serious problem of this age. So these were the words, their meaning and sentence. Next question is, read out the synonyms and antonyms of the following words in thesis. Word: fast. Synonyms: rapid, active, quick, agile. And antonyms: sluggish, slow, lazy. Word is collect. Its synonym: gather, add, compile. Antonyms: distribute, divide, give. Continue. Synonyms: advance, extend, move forward, proceed. And its antonyms: stop, cease. Harmful. Synonyms: dangerous, baleful, deadly, unsafe. And antonyms: useful and advantageous and fortunate. So these were the words, their synonyms and antonyms. Now next question is, answer the following questions. First question is, which kind of pollution is widely spread and most dangerous? First question is, which kind of pollution is widely spread and most dangerous? The answer is, noise pollution is widely spread and most dangerous for our health. Next question is, what are the bad effects of air pollution? The answer is, air pollution affects both plants and human life. How can air pollution be controlled? The answer, it can be controlled by using special devices to remove poisonous gases from fumes, planting trees in towns and cities. What is the cause of water pollution? Answer is, it is caused by many kinds of domestic and industrial wastes poured into streams, lakes and rivers. Question number 5. What is noise? How is it harmful? Answer, noise is a pollution. It may cause nervous problem or temporary or permanent deafness. Question 6. How does cutting of trees add to environmental pollution? Its answer is, cutting of trees may decrease oxygen level and increase in pollution. Question number 7. Our elder enjoyed a healthy life as compared to us. How? So its answer is our elder enjoyed a healthy life due to free of all types of pollution. So these were the question answers given at the end of your lesson 6. Now it's exercise. Next page on 71. Tick the correct options. The question is the main cause of pollutions are a huge industrial installation, introduction of faster modes of transport, spreading of large crowded cities, all of above. So option D is the correct answer. Main causes of pollutions are all of above. Smoke containing poisonous gases is the cause of air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution. So option A, mean air pollution, is the correct answer. Sewage is a major source of noise pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution. So the sewage is the water pollution. Answer is option C. Noise is usually defined as any sound, any voice, any wanted sound, any unwanted sound. So option D is correct answer. Any unwanted sound is known as noise. The major source of noise pollution is smoke, sewage, workshops, gases. So major source of noise pollution is workshops. Option C is correct. Now the next question is pollutants are the substances that pollute the environment. Match the pollutants in column A with the kind of pollution in column B. So in column A, loud music is given and it is a noise pollution. Loud music, noise pollution. Next is sewage poured in river. It is water pollution. Smoke, it is air pollution. So these are the air pollution is due to smoke, noise pollution is due to loud music, and water pollution is due to sewage poured in rivers. Now give the following information. Question is give the following information, page 72. Give 4 examples of air pollution. So air pollution is due to smoke, dust, poisonous gases, and offensive odor. Give any 4 water pollutants: sewage, dead remains of animals, domestic wastage, and industrial wastage. Next question, page number 73. List any 2 harmful effects of air pollution on human health. So one effect is air pollution affect human life directly and indirectly. Number 2, it causes severe disease of chest infection. Next, list any 2 harmful effects of water pollution on the fish and other aquatic life. So the first is the water pollution is bacterial growth. Harmful effects due to water pollution is bacterial growth, and number 2 is damages fish and other aquatic life. So these are the 2 major harmful effects due to water pollution. Next, the question is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used when we see things happening in the past but having a result in the present. In the present perfect tense, we use the present tense of have plus the past participle of the verb. Example, they have eaten all the eggs. The train has arrived. they have learned their lesson. So this was all about today's lesson. Kindly read it and learn it.